So just 6 minutes walk from Brussels Midi Station, we stumbled across this food market, very Middle Eastern feel, and we got these wraps that have olives and cheese and tomatoes and peppers and spiciness. So let's give it a try. Whoa. It's crazy big. It's so good. Total cost for this and 2 cheese, €10. Not that bad.
Hello everyone. Today I find myself back in one of my favorite European cities, which is Brussels. We are at the Grand Place. Behind us is the town hall, which is probably the most striking building here in this area. It took 18 years to finish the construction, which started in 1402 and completed in 1420. But today, it's the only medieval building that still is around in this area. This beautiful building behind me is the modern-day museum of the city of Brussels. But as early as the 12th century, it was known as the King's House because the Duke of Brabant once lived here before he was king. The Adventures of Tintin. It's based on 24 comics created by the Belgian artist Georges Remy, and it's one of the most iconic comics of the 20th century. One of the most iconic statues you're going to see in all of Brussels is the little boy peeing, also known as the mannequin piece. But don't be disappointed, it's quite small. Graffiti street art is a part of the modern day culture, and it's so popular you can even take graffiti tours. Belgium is synonymous with two things, beer and chocolate. And you cannot come to Brussels without trying some. Let's go inside. I'm hungry.
Hi guys, so we're in Brussels, so first we're getting hot chocolate. Very excited to try it. This is organic Belgian hot chocolate. Oh, it's so nice! And it's perfect for this cold weather. Oh, amazing. Oh, that's small chocolate as well.
This alley is a great example of a medieval alley from the medieval times. It's small, it's cramped, and lots of families would have been living in a very tight, narrow space all together. Down this street is the best bar in all of Brussels. It's called the Delirium Cafe. It's right there, and it has over 2,000 beers that you can choose from. You should check it out.